What's up, guys? I'm out with my buddy Mark on the Big Bertha. We're going for stripers and blues. It's a crazy windy day, and we're out here using the bucktail with the otter tail, and we'll get into some fishing.
It's a good one. It's a good one, Mark. Right here. It's close to a keeper. The hip. That keeps. That keeps.
Got a giant mouth for such a little guy.
Nice. Yeah, buddy. The bucktail wins.
So what I'm doing is dropping the 6-ounce bucktail down with the green otter tail, and it's really windy. When it's really windy like this, it makes for a difficult drift because it's pushing your bucktail against the water, and it drifts out a lot more. You tend to scope out. So what I'll do is I'll drop my line all the way to the bottom, and as soon as I see it start to scope too much, maybe 5-10 degrees more than being what I would like to be fishing, like right there, I'll drop it again. But right here I hook up.
I got hit right away. Oh, I'm on. I'm on.
My battery died on this fish, so we're gonna get to the next one. So I pay attention to my angle again. See, I'm dropping back down, find the bottom, and if I feel a bite or a bump, I pull up. If I don't get a fish on the hook, I drop back down again. Only when it's very fast, current, or we're facing heavy winds like this. And here we go. I hook up on a nice fish again.
Oh, this is a good one. Maybe not. Oh. I think it's a bluefish as well. Yeah, it's coming up fast. No, it's a striper. Striper. Ooh, yeah, little baby.
Yeah.
Little guy. Little guy. Head shakes. It's gotta be. Yeah. It's gotta be a big. Yeah. Oh, there's big fish next to it. Whatever. I think it's a big. I think it's a big blue. Not that big, but. I hate them. Why?
So when you're this scoped out, I mean, you can see my line right there, just past that second wave. At this point, I'm so scoped out, it's not even worth it. It's better just to reel up real quick and drop down. Send it down fast, and you'll be back in the strike zone. On windy days like this is what you deal with. But it's much more fun and more productive fishing the bucktail over the three-way. Mark pulls up a striper here. It's the first one and only one of the trip on the three-way. And this is why I like to fish the bucktail.
I just felt something swim into me, or that was a rock? Holy striper! looks like a striper.
That's what I thought, right? Yep.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
Ready?
Yeah. Bring him to me. Bring him away from the engines. Away from the engines. Got it. Hold on. He swallowed deep.
Nice.
Okay, he swallowed the shit out of that. Good luck. Oh, dude, burn the rib. I'm getting this out of here. Windy as shit. Depth 75. That's bottom. Come on. Oh. Oh. Oh, let's take a drag. How are you? Oh. Yeah, buddy. I think this is a striper. I could probably get a lot of head shakes, a lot of weight. Maybe not. Oh, whoa! Oh God, that's probably a blue, right? Blue? Yeah, blue. Okay, I'm bringing him back. He's still running hard, the little prick. You good? That's a big one. Okay. Whew. 76. We're in like the 60, 65, 60 range. That's really getting hit.
The bite? Yeah, it's been like from 70 to 60.
Yeah.
Now you'll see I'm getting pretty scoped out here, but in this situation, it's okay. The wind is blowing us, slowing us down, but our drift is actually toward the incline, away from the boat. And as my bucktail scopes out, I'm actually in more shallow water. We're starting off in like 70, 80 range, and at this point, I'm around 40 feet of water. So my bucktail, even though it seems scoped out, I'm going to be in a strike zone, and I'm going to hook up with a fish.
I think that's the bottom. Come on. Oh, Mark. Whoa.
I almost got fucking smoked.
That's probably a bluefish. The way it's running. Yeah, he's fucking running, dude. No, it's a striper. Striper? Baby?
Guy,
Schoolie. Schoolie striper. Come on, little stripey. There goes his lip, dude. He just shook his lip off. I feel terrible.
Keep that just pushed up.
Yeah, yep, exactly. If I feel bottom again, I'll just pull up a little bit. That little pull right there
Yeah.
brings me back up,
And
and
you're not-
it brings me right in the strike zone again.
And you're not using lead, so like
Yeah, I'm the
you
bucktail.
don't have to worry about it.
Oh, no. That might have been a fish where it was bottom. No, it's bottom. So I'm like feeling for the bottom, basically. So depth? Oh, we're fucking shallow. Oh, I got it. Whoa, bluefish on the way up. Big one too. On the way up. Oh, oh. Dude, yeah. Oh. Yeah, I saw him on the way up, man. Dude, he's big, man. He's a big one. Oh, wow. He's big, dude. Look at him. Look like a tuna. It's rip and drag. Dude, it's rip and drag. It's pretty big, man. Yeah. Come on, compartments.
I call them compartments because the Grady's, they've got all these compartments and, you know, cabinets and everything else, and he's always trying to find his tools. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video and get a chance to try this out there. You'll have a lot of fun doing it. See you out there.